How are you?
Well, my hair is cute. My face.
Okay, let's do this, guys.
Gotta get this balloon out. Hey, Remy, you're in the pictures. Can you? We're gonna have to put this here.
Hey.
Remy, can you come on this side? Scoot over this way.
Oh, she goes.
Cutting the cake to find out what her. Okay. Can you hold it?
Sorry.
Here's the question, Mark.
It's thick frosting. Can you see it? Okay, let's put this here. We can't see it yet. No. It's chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh!